Ramu? It's a scrim right now. It's Paulo. Dale. Yeah. Oh, they're not loading. You hate to see it. How was the non GG? Dude, pretty nice dog. 9 times out of 10 the Nas I'm with just like feel like complete garbage. Not you. For the streamer. Exactly. Aim is playing. Sheesh. Where's the scrim going on? This is the scrim, jeez. I just run around playing annoying. Yeah, that's the goal is not. And that's also Na's best map on Rivet. Thank you for the follow, I appreciate it. Dang. You farming those follows today, chat. What the heck is this comp? Oh my gosh. Bruh, X swap into the jump pad here. Oh my gosh, bro. Too good. I gotta see it happen. No, he missed it. You gotta almost take the jump pad here. Jeez, that's so annoying. You have to play lower half of the map. You got Ryan on. Was Ryan dead? No way. Guess we won't know. Okay, baby. Oh, what did I say? Oh, Swiggins? I don't want to play Swiggins on this map. I'll play Deadlift, yo. Hucknar? Dang. Probably plays that's pretty good. Yeah, that's Zenith right there. NZ. New Zealand, my boy. Oh, Zenith's gonna get a little bit of playtime on Ted. If I remember correctly. Oh, is he well known? He's like, is Zenith in League 1? I don't remember. Hondo's community is hella small. This is true. The community is really small. You have like the OG people that have been playing this game since 2012, and you got like the new people that come and go. Played with Huck a few games ago. Ooh. Yeah, the community is very small, but it's very tight. There's like tournaments going on, I think, every 3 months, just because it's great. Why not play a dead game, you know? It's fun. Everyone enjoys it. Oh, do I want to go stun? No, I want to go double regen off start because of DOT. DOT just kind of destroys Deadlift. They have more enemies and friends in this game because everyone gets mad. Yeah, people do get mad.